Hi there. Good afternoon. Good morning, everybody, for those who are just getting up. My name is Faja Alamin, and today I am in the lab and I am going to be working on Lab 2, which is oxidation reduction. And this action series, which basically all the supplies were provided by our lab kit, which we purchased. And this lab kit basically has all of the necessary ingredients and tools that we need in order to perform this test. Let's get started here. Our first uh, our first chemical that we're going to be using, or shall I say, the element, is going to be sodium sulfate, which is Na4SO4. And we're going to be using 10 drops of that. We're going to be using 10 drops of magnesium sulfate, which is MgSO4. We're going to be using 10 drops of the zinc nitrate, which is ZnNO32. We're also going to be using iron chloride, which is FeCl3. And finally, we're going to be using copper sulfate, which is CuSO4. Now, all of these particular units, they come inside our kit, and basically I'm just going to go ahead and snip the tops off of them because we'll need to use the material, and we need to add so many drops per each well. Okay, so let's get started with the sulfate. We're going to be adding 10 drops of that. Okay, we're going to be adding 10 drops of the magnesium. We're going to be adding 10 drops of the nitrate, zinc nitrate to be exact. We're going to be adding 10 of the iron. And notice that iron is a beautiful little shade there. Looks like a little bit of the turquoise, not turquoise, but topaz color. We're going to be adding 10 drops of the actual copper, which is a pretty blue. Okay. Now, as we have completely, and we put it in the A well of the 24 welder or 24 well, which is the holder that we have. And basically what they're asking us to do is to take pieces of the actual material. And the material that we're going to be using is lead, which is Pb, magnesium, of course, because it's Mg. We're going to be using zinc, Zn, and iron, which is a nail. We're going to be using these things inside the actual the actual solution, or the element, and we're going to be putting that inside of this and seeing what reaction that we can get out of it. Of course, it says that we needed a paper clip, which I have that, and then we needed I brought a nail just in case, a knife, and then here the tongs, and actually the little tweezers, which is going to give us, what we need. Now, it mentions in here that we are to record, insert a piece of zinc into the magnesium. So here is the zinc, and we're going to go ahead and place a piece of the zinc into the magnesium. We're going to take one of these little balls here, and we're going to place it in. Okay, I should do it like this because of the fact that, of course, it's little bitty tiny things. So we have a ball. Okay, just this one piece, and we are to insert that into magnesium. And our magnesium is this one here, so it would be going into the second one. We have dropped it. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and get finished with this experiment, and I will see you next time. Thank you.